G'day guys, Richard from Western Works here. Let's explore my new favourite cooker.
Would you believe this turns into this, and this turns into this, and this turns into that? How much wood do you need to cook scrambled eggs and boil a billy? Well, today we're going to find out. So I don't think you need a bonfire, but all these twigs here are just hand collected. You don't need an axe or a knife. There's just sticks lying on the ground, and we're going to cook some scrambled eggs on this here pan. Got some pita bread, going to melt some cheese, then we're going to boil a billy, have a cup of tea. I'm going to use this middle pile just to start a fire, get that going. Now, maybe that'll be enough. Maybe I'll need to add another pile. Maybe I'll need all 6. Let's see what happens. But this is maybe half of the first pile. And once we get some good burning happening, then I'll put the pan on. Fire loves to climb, so I've put a few sticks in vertically. And you can see it's quite breezy today, so that's going to affect things. Well, that's pretty impressive. I'm ready to put the pan on. So the only way I can throttle this fire is pretty much by taking the pan off if it gets too hot. If it gets too cold, I've got to put more wood in. Simple as that. I can see the oil is already thinning out, so ready to put the eggs on. It's about 20 degrees centigrade outside, and the eggs are out of the fridge. It's at 4 degrees. So, first pile of wood's pretty much gone. Not a bad little fire. Time to crack the eggs. Wow. Well, that pan is certainly hot enough. All right, now I need 2 hands. Well, that was way quicker than I thought. In fact, I've overcooked the eggs. And now I'll just warm up the bread. That cheese will melt in no time at all. Still only used the first pile of timber. And now to boil the billy. And I've just got one of these mugs full of water. It's not a litre or anything, it's maybe 400 mils, not sure. And not timing this event. It's not about how quick this happens. It's just what you actually need. And now, just waiting for the kettle to boil. Well, in the time I took to eat my scrambled egg roll, we've got steam coming. Probably not quite through half of the second pile. Oh, and we have boiled. Oh yeah. Who'd have thought there was so much energy in a handful of sticks?